Hey everyone! Today, we're going to go through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to use Odoo CRM for beginners. Odoo is a powerful and user-friendly customer relationship management (CRM) tool that helps businesses track leads, close opportunities, and manage their sales pipeline efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner, a sales professional, or someone looking to improve their CRM skills, this guide will help you get started with Odoo CRM from scratch. To begin, go to Odoo's official website. Click on the Start Now button, which will take you to the account creation page. Here, you'll need to enter some basic details including your full name, email address, company name, if applicable, the number of employees in your company, and an optional phone number. Once you've entered the necessary information, click Continue or Sign Up to proceed. After completing the sign-up process, Odoo will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox, look for a message from Odoo, and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Now set a password and click on Activate your database. This step is essential, as it ensures that your account is fully activated and grants you access to Odoo's features. Once your account is verified, Odoo may ask you a few additional questions to personalize your experience, such as the type of business you have and whether you want to invite team members. If you prefer, you can skip these steps and proceed directly to your Odoo dashboard by clicking Skip and then selecting Go to your account. On your dashboard, you will see multiple applications, including Discuss, Settings, Calendar, CRM, and more. Since we are focusing on CRM, click on the CRM module. This will take you to the main CRM panel, where you will find different sections. At the top of the CRM dashboard, you will see a navigation panel that provides access to key features. Within the Sales section, you can monitor pipeline activities, manage sales teams, track customer interactions, and oversee your business opportunities. This section ensures that you have full visibility into your sales process, from lead generation to deal closure. Next, the Reporting section offers insights into your sales performance, including activity tracking, lead forecasts, and detailed sales analytics. These reports help you make data-driven decisions by identifying trends, evaluating team performance, and predicting future sales outcomes. The Configuration section allows you to customize CRM settings according to your business needs. Here you can manage tags, set up automated workflows, integrate third-party tools, and configure system preferences to optimize your CRM experience. You can also use the search function to quickly find specific contacts, deals, or settings. Now, let's generate some leads. Click on the Generate Leads button to get started. You will need to enter key details such as company names, contact information, and industries. Additionally, you can refine your search by applying filters such as company size or preferred role to ensure that you are targeting the right prospects. Once you have set your criteria, click on Generate Leads, and Odoo will automatically provide you with a curated list of potential leads that match your requirements. This feature is highly efficient because it saves you the time and effort of manually searching for new business opportunities. Once you have successfully generated leads, you can manage them seamlessly through the sales pipeline. In the pipeline view, each lead is represented as a card that you can track throughout the sales process. You can move these cards between different stages based on the progress of the deal. Updating a lead is simple. Just drag and drop the card into the appropriate stage as the deal advances. This structured approach helps you stay organized, prioritize leads effectively, and ultimately increase your chances of closing deals successfully. Each lead allows you to add internal notes and send messages to team members. You can also update the probability of winning a deal and mark leads as won or lost. If a deal is lost, you can record the reason to analyze and improve future sales strategies. To create a new lead manually, click on the New button and enter the required details. If you prefer a different view of your pipeline, Odoo allows you to switch between multiple views. Click on the top right corner of the pipeline view to choose between Kanban, List, Calendar, Pivot, Graph, or Map views. The Kanban view is a visual board that helps you manage deals efficiently, while the List view provides a detailed breakdown of all leads. Next, let's look at reporting. Click on the Leads section under Reporting to see the number of leads you are generating. You can choose specific metrics such as expected revenue, days to convert, or number of activities. You can also visualize data using bar charts, pie charts, and cumulative graphs. This helps in tracking sales performance and identifying trends. In the Sales section, you will find all your activities listed. You can create new activities by clicking the New button. These activities can be calls, meetings, or follow-ups with potential clients. The Teams section allows you to manage sales teams by categorizing them with different colors and clusters. Now, let's explore the Configuration section. One of the key features here is Tags. Tags help you categorize leads for easy tracking. To add a tag, go to your sales pipeline, select a lead, and click on Add Tag. For example, if you are offering life insurance, you can tag relevant leads accordingly. Tags make it easier to filter and locate leads based on specific categories. Another useful feature is Lost Reasons. This helps you track why certain deals were not successful. To add a lost reason, click on Configuration and select Lost Reasons. You can add different reasons such as budget constraints or competitor chosen. This information helps improve your sales strategy over time. The CRM module also includes a dashboard that provides an overview of your leads and sales pipeline. The dashboard summarizes important data so you can quickly check key metrics without navigating through multiple sections. This is useful for managers and executives who need quick access to business insights. You can also integrate other applications with Odoo CRM. If you need invoicing, inventory management, or additional sales tools, simply click on the Apps section and install the relevant modules. Once installed, these applications will integrate seamlessly into your CRM, allowing for a more comprehensive business management experience. To manage contacts, go to the Contacts section. Here, you can add new contacts, including employees, clients, and companies. Each contact can have associated tags, tax IDs, addresses, and internal notes. Internal notes are private and can be used to store important details about a contact that are not meant to be shared with others. Odoo CRM also includes a general inbox where team members can communicate and collaborate. This feature is particularly helpful for coordinating deadlines and ensuring that deals are closed on time. Team members can chat in real time and share updates directly within the CRM system. If you frequently work with similar deal structures, you can create shortcuts to save time. For example, you can create a shortcut for high-priority deals to quickly access important sales opportunities. Additionally, you can create custom sections within your pipeline to organize deals more efficiently. For example, you can add sections like failed deals or urgent follow-ups to keep your workflow structured. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to use Odoo CRM to track leads, manage sales pipelines, and generate reports. Thanks for watching.